Lord, everybody. I hope you are having a great morning. Tell me, as Sandra Book's song asks, have you stopped to pray this morning? Have you stopped to give God the honor and the praise and thanking Him for waking you up this morning? If the answer is no, take a minute and give God the glory. Thank Him for life, for breath, for limbs, for health, for everything that you have. Because there are millions of people who did not live to see this morning. Sometimes we take the very blessing of being able to wake up and breathe for granted. But also pray. Tell Him good morning. Ask Him how He is doing. But also give Him honor